XJR right here. So this is the Jaguar XJR. Let's walk around it and then do a walk around of the interior as well. Fortunately you can't start it up here, but let's at least walk around. So the first thing you notice is this beautiful satin matte finish, gray finish. It's a gunmetal gray looking color. I absolutely adore these 5-spoke gloss black wheels with these Jaguar red calipers and this red Jaguar logo. Plus there's also the R right on the wheel as well. These are the new Jaguar LED headlights with the side markers included into the unit. All gloss black. This car is completely de-chromed. Here are vents with supercharged logo on it. Here's the grille, so you can see all gloss black, the R badge and the red Jaguar logo on the radar with the camera right here. I have to say that I really like the color. Look at the details on the headlight. I have to say they are pretty amazing. Alright, so as you can see, the gloss black, the bottom of the mirror, everything about this car is deep chrome, panoramic sunroof, and I really like this detail. The only chrome on the car that I noticed is this line on the door handles and this button to lock the car here on the rear door also as well. Of course, the close, of course the soft close is in the car. These gloss black plastic lines give the car a give the glass one-piece look, especially if the glass is tinted more than this one is. These are the tail lights that are actually and this white line. These are the rear side markers right there. Here's the button. 4 exhaust tips, 2 on each side. A little camera right here. Big Jaguar logo. XJR 575. This stands for number of horsepower. The car has a really cool thing about the trunk is that there's a chrome button to open the trunk. Here's a Jaguar as well. Pretty cool thing I didn't expect. It actually has a spare, not a full spare, but a spare. Not really common in modern cars. The trunk is not that big though. Both the Audi A8, the BMW 7 Series, and even the Mercedes S-Class have bigger trunk than the XJ. So let's have a look into the back of the car. As you can see, a beautiful line of gloss carbon fiber lined with chrome line on the back. Meridian sound system, black gloss plastic, a little personal ashtray right here, and chrome door handle with Jaguar written right here. Here it's XJR 575, again stands for the horsepower of the car. Beautiful leather seats with red stitching on them, and then the perforated middles with black stitching. 575 in Alcantara. Again, headliner is all Alcantara. Beautiful, beautiful handles right here, lined with leather and chrome on the both sides. Oh well, that is probably not connected to the power right now, but power operated rear sun visor. These chrome buttons, set up, angle of headrests, and this is the center console. 2 cup holders of the same size right here, and little storage space right here. Red leather stitching all around here, and as well as here. Now this is the rear climate control with the rear heated or ventilated seats and 2 power sockets. Also the vents close and open by twisting motion like this, and you can set them anywhere you want. Pretty cool. There's the storage space here. So the seats in the back and in the front are both heated and ventilated. Alright, so right now we are in the inside of the Jaguar XJR, so let's take a first look at the door from the inside. Here's amazing carbon fiber piece right here, Meridian sound system, memories for the seats, chrome door handle, lock and unlock button, and then here are the windows buttons and the buttons for the mirrors. Here, as you can see, is the XJR 575, that stands for the horsepower. Here is the setting for the seat. Rear truck opening, rear fog light, a dashboard brightness setting. I love these vents that you can close or open by just twisting them, and then you can move them anywhere you want. Black Alcantara headliner, a carbon fiber piece that goes all around the dashboard with red 5.7 right here. I love the frameless mirrors. The mirror that is actually in every new Jaguar model, as well as Mercedes supplementing it. Touch. So these are reading lamps. You have to just touch. This is the rear sunshade button right there. This is to operate the sunroof. Look at the center of the console. Here you can see again the two vents. Beautiful cloth. The leather is, the dashboard is completely wrapped in leather. This actually is not a button, you just have to touch it and it pops out like that. Glove box right here. Here are a black floor mats with red stitching, with red part all around it, and red Jaguar. The seats right here are very soft black leather with red stitching, and with stitching into the diamond shapes, and perforated, ventilated and heated seats, of course. Again, as well as in the back, Alcantara part with 5.75 stitched into it, here is the center space. Here's the center storage with 2 USBs, one HDMI, one micro SIM, and one power socket right here. And here is another small storage for little things, all lined in chrome, and then the rest is black gloss plastic. Here's the cup holder. Here are the cup holders. You can close or open them one by one. Parking brake, dynamic and winter mode, speed limiter, traction control, and I have no idea what this is, to be honest. The gear selector, and then the controls for the climate control down here, and controls for the rest of the screen. And of course, start stop button, metal gear shifters, and heated steering wheel, our logo. I love the detail. This stitched into part right here. And yeah, that's probably all from the Jaguar stand at Geneva Motorshow, and all from the Jaguar XJR